Hello and a warm welcome to Conny Decorates today, and of course, as always, with heart and passion. Today we're going to hang up a simple, light and festive window decoration with amaryllis. I think it's really beautiful. It's something a bit different for a change. A few ornaments in between as well. And yes, dear friends, if you want to know how this really quick Christmas window decoration works, stay tuned because we're going to show you now. And here we have our window that we'd like to decorate today. And for those of you who have watched our videos a few times before, you know that I once spray painted this branch gold, wrapped some birch twigs around it, and I always have it hanging here with a few decorative items on it. This time I want to decorate it a little differently using real amaryllis. I'll go ahead and get started. Now I'll take the branch and start by hanging it up. I'll just quickly grab a ribbon for that. I always use this natural unbleached jute ribbon. It goes really well with our decor, or rather, it's always very practical. Because you can easily adjust the overall height using the pre-drilled holes, so you can effortlessly adjust it up or down, depending on precisely how you want it to hang, or what kind of decorative elements you have on it. And now I'll carefully attach the ribbon on both sides and simply hang it up right here on the nail. Then I have a fairly long string of lights here. It's a bundled string of lights, which is actually perfect for hanging in a Christmas tree as well. Here you can just stick it into the top, and I think it's even 1.9 meters long. I actually think it's pretty cool because you can really wrap it around nicely here, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. I've got it plugged in here, so it's connected to the power outlet, and that of course gives off really good light. There's definitely a difference between using batteries and a power plug. And now I'm going to twist the whole string all the way around here. Darling, I could truly lose my entire mind when the festive Christmas season finally comes to our lovely town. It's definitely getting quite cold now, baby. I just want you, once you're close. I've got a lovely leisurely stroll in my heart, and if it gets really dark outside, yeah, we can certainly go inside. My dear baby, won't you hold me inside? Then I take my amaryllis and I'm going to cut the stem here because I need to shorten them a bit. They're quite long, and as you can see, they definitely need water. And now I'm going to cut them at slightly different heights. And then you can grab some tape. Right now I have this tape from Tessa. It's a kind of mounting tape, but you can also use regular adhesive tape. Tessa film is of course transparent, so you won't see it. But here I just wrap it around once. You can use the Tessa film to secure it perfectly to the amaryllis, and I'll do the same with all the other stems as well. Now I take the wire. You can use virtually any wire you have, binding wire or even floral wire, but I fortunately still have this slightly shimmering golden decorative wire, so I'll utilize that for this purpose. I simply poke it carefully under the tape and securely into the stem, ensuring that it emerges neatly on the opposite side. Then you can securely fasten the electrical wire at the very top of the connection point. Some of it's stuck a bit, this mounting tape is really very sticky. Exactly, and then you can secure it up here and hang the amaryllis beautifully. Now when the amaryllis is hanging, you can pour water into the stem from above and it will absorb the water by itself. And because of the weight, the wire can't be pulled upward. Since we have the tape right here, I will just go around my main branch once and then I will carefully wrap the wire a bit further down. I have this beautiful jute ribbon. I just love it, and it fits in perfectly everywhere in our home anyway. And now I still have a few green leftovers here, like this lovely pine branch and a bit of pistachio. I'll just see what else goes well with it, and I'll simply attach it here and secure it to the branch in the same way. And I think a beautiful red ornament also fits perfectly here. I'll go ahead and attach that to the ribbon as well. Just tie a knot and you can either cut off the ribbon or leave it hanging however you like. Now I'll take my jute ribbon because honestly the tape just doesn't look good at all right now. And now I can just wrap it all the way around here. And then we've beautifully decorated this part as well. And finally, you can easily add water for the flowers each time. I've always got a little funnel here. Just carefully pour it into the stem. And just like that, we're all done in no time. It's super cozy in the evening with lovely light by the window, and you can always swap everything out easily when it dries up. Especially here with the heater, you can swap out the branches or, as I said, the amaryllis as well. And that's it, dear ones. And of course, we really hope we were able to inspire you. If so, we'd love a thumbs up, and we'll be back for you in a few days with the next video. I'm doing a little charity run with an acquaintance of mine, a friend. And yes, maybe you'll join us then. We would, of course, be absolutely thrilled about that. So sending you all a big hug. See you in a few days. Yours, Conny, and yours, Micha, your cameraman. Exactly, dear ones. See you then. Bye. Cheers.
The rest just fades away. To me, a truly wonderful, magical holiday.